call this?
នេះ
What are you right now?
ចុះឈ្មោះហាត់កីឡាបាល់ទះនៅស្រុកខ្មែរលេងវាយសីឥឡូវម្ដងអាមេរិកហាត់កីឡាបាល់ទះគេហៅ Sport Hub
Sport Hub
ចុះឈ្មោះហើយបង6អាទិត្យអស់$99អាសាអីយើងអ្នកនៅក្នុងភូមិហ្នឹងបើយើងមកពីភូមិផ្សេង$110ហើយគេចូល
So for her side, is that a US or is it a what do you mean SA mean? This is youth ball.
Bằng tới cái ai cũng kệ.
What about youth media? Okay, let's see. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, maybe good one. What do you think?
Too big?
Too big, I think.
So you small?
Yeah.
Okay, so you think if we wash it